Nagpulbo-pulbo. Iyay. Nagpapabang. Lagom hindi naman, no?
Yung pulbusan lagom di man, diri, di ba? Bato ba? Bato ba dyan?
Ito man na, Jet.
Nag-iisang
Bah.
machinery na yung administration to control or to
Pampers pa, Jud.
Okay, street and to, testing mita ni mga pampers gabi, gabi.
Naputol.
Oo, tapos hilak-hilak.
Hmm.
Tapos takkan lagi basa.
Lagi, no?
Pag adlaw di naman kay siya kaso with the pampers.
Oh, manghihiman siya, no?
Support for the first gentleman and maybe translating to support for the president herself.
I told me that all the mayors and congressmen
Uy,
have issued a statement to support
pijama.
the administration.
Jet.
And as far as the Arroyo family, personally, I know them and they know me since we were young. However, if you're asking kung ang supportan is the same, I would say yes. If there is an erosion, hindi naman maliit. But you know, ang Negrense are not activists.
Yes.
We are passive. We're lovable people. So, ang nangyayari ngayon is we're more focused on our local problem here and the province. Especially that after it's coming in the 2010. 60%
Yes, fresh na, Jud. Hi, kay Mami. Hi, Mami.
Nay, mami.
Hi, kay Mami.
Picture, picture. Nay, mami.
Hi, Mami. Hi, Mami. I love you, Mami.
Love you, mami.
Ay, dali.
It will not stop us from
Good.
asking the truth about
Gamay ra.
what the city is for. I would like to hear that
Lado, ha? Sus, sus. Tama na.
it's progress. Yung sabi mo kanina, Tony, na yung moratorium mo na sigera ang itong salita. Maybe I would like to say
Ah.
let's go forward and fast track the whole thing. Ito ang problema namin sa Negros. It's the whole 2,500,000 people here that is ang population namin. At saka ang industriya namin is muna siya.
Wala, tulog na ka daw?
Vulnerable kami
Ha?
Tulog na.
sa
Ayun na. Hindi ka mo tanaw? Muna siya. Matog, muna siya. Mag-away na gid sila nga magtanaw og TV. Pero siya natulog. Dili ko balhin, mo tanaw jud ko siya. Pero ito tulog na. Ako man gusto mo tanaw, pero dili mabalhin, dili siya gusto.